It's the big match today in the men's under-19 Asia Cup 20.
Oh, this is big. This is huge. It's gone all the way for 6. That is a great shot. He was biding his time. I think he was also frustrated.
In the air, in the gap, and that'll be 4. Wayward from Nikhil, and he has to pay the price. Osman picks up an easy 4 runs. Or are you going to try and hit against the turn towards deep mid-wicket? We've got a wideish deep square in place. That's cut away for runs. The shackles will be broken here, and they will finally get a boundary on the 30th delivery. So it's been 30 balls since they struck a 4. They finally get one. The 50 comes up on the board as well for Pakistan.
Oh,
That's got a hold of that. And that is going many a mile. And it's gone all the way. That is a tremendous strike. There he goes, big time. Got a hold of that. It's flying away. It's got wings. And it's another maximum.
Was known more for his batting prowess than his bowling capabilities. Young lad, very impressed. Right, Pakistan coach would be much happier. All right, I'm not going to give you turn to play with.
right, there goes the slug sweep. And he's picked the gap. That is very effectively played by Shahzaid.
Yes, they've got to 100. Remember, in the 24th over that's in progress. That's found the gap. And it'll run away for 4. Shahzaid finds another boundary.
Goes big, and that's 6. Now, it's very clear that the Pakistan openers have a plan here. They're going to go after Inan.
This time around he'll get it. Waited for it. That fist pump tells you what it means. The applause coming in from the Pakistan dressing room as well. It's been a well-compiled 100.
Yeah, that is a magical 100 from Shahzaid. What a time. What a game to do it. And what a ground to do it also. One for the team, one for his career. It's just small. This is big. This is huge. This lad can strike. And when he strikes, they stay hit. That's another maximum. Well, this man is not holding back anything. That's a 4. That's 1 bounce. He's liking this left arm spinner. That's a shot with some timing. We haven't seen that kind of shot for a while. They're coming back for 2. This is good running. They get a couple. But they haven't still got a boundary, Faisal. Now, it's the 150 up for Shahzaid of 5 4s and 9 6s, but no boundary now for 29 balls. Yeah, but this is the moment for Shahzaid. Now, this one, he's managed to clear it. Well, that's been a long time coming. They had to wait for a while. A bit differently. Now, this is huge. This is more height than length. This should be taken, I think. Someone underneath it. Yes, good catch. Really good catch. That's not an easy one. That went into the sky. The fielder had to do well, got underneath it, was quite stable as he took the catch. And it's the big fish. He was aiming for that big hit again. Once again, face off. And look at how high it went in the blue skies. Beautifully judged by Hardik Raj. And he took the catch. India needed that. Shahzaid gone for a wonderful 159. And